Hi, this is Gina! Let's find a product we could review today.
Let's look on wishtrend.com to find one.
The product I'll be reviewing today is Probiome Balance Cream. It reminds me of plain yogurt. It's a product that provides refreshing hydration as well as moisture care. A propolis cream that helps stabilize your damaged skin's balance by making the skin texture smooth and the exterior healthy while keeping the inside moisturized. I recommend it for sensitive skin with a damaged balance, dry skin that needs moisture, and oily acne-prone skin that needs calming. So let me try it out for you guys. So this cream feels really refreshing and lightweight, and it absorbs super fast into my skin while leaving it feeling really moisturized. I'll answer some frequently asked questions for this product for you guys. There are no artificial fragrances added. I think it's the natural scent of propolis you're smelling. It's very lightweight and absorbs beautifully into the skin, leaving it feeling deeply moisturized. I think it will be good for those who don't like the feeling of heavy, thick cream on their face. You can think of it as a lactobacillus that is beneficial for the skin. It has been shown to have a calming effect, and it strengthens the skin to protect itself from external exposure. You can probably feel a cooling sensation because it's very moisturizing, but rather than lowering the skin's temperature, it calms down the skin when it's at its sensitive state. It's for all skin types, but I highly recommend it for oily skin types. I also want to recommend it for those of you who are struggling with acne or have sensitive skin. Okay, till next time, bye!